Hello, Computer Science 30. This is a quick look at what the website for Computer Science 30 should look like. Up here, you'll notice you have 4 buttons, button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4. I've already been playing around with the website, so mine already have some names in them. If I click on button 1, you'll see it cycles through some names. There's 4 names in total. You'll be given these 4 objects in a Google Doc within Google Classroom. Your first one is Ford Prefect. Ford Prefect, it pulls the information about him from the object, so he's an alien, which displays in box number 2. He only has 1 head, that displays down here in box number 3. And he's been a screenwriter, a journalist, and employee of the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, and that appears in box number 4. The 2 screens in the middle, you'll see it says Ford Prefect is an alien. This other screen at first won't actually say anything, it'll just say screen 2. But because I've already been playing around with it, it says 2 heads. So I'm going to show you what button number 3 does down here. If I click on sadly only 1 head, you'll see that because Ford Prefect only has 1 head, it says life is pretty normal with only 1 head. And box number 2 says sorry, this person only has 1 head. If I click on Ford Prefect, it changes to Zaphod Beetlebrox, who's also an alien. Box number 2 over there showing alien says in the screen he's an alien. And if I click on the 2 heads better than 1, you'll see it says 1 head is fine, but 2 heads. Imagine being able to fight with yourself with more than 1 head. Click on Zaphod again. Now it becomes Trisha McMillan. She's a human, so because she's a human, the background has changed to brown. So aliens, green, humans, brown. It says Trisha McMillan is a human. Also only 1 head. Click on that. You can see it does the same thing it did for Ford because it only has 1 head. If we click on the part where it says human, it'll say, hey, Trisha McMillan has had the following jobs, and it lists her jobs. And then it picks one of her jobs and says that's her most important. If you click human again, it'll change which job it picked. And it just cycles through them, saying that her most important job was, and it goes through the list. You can do that with any of them. So Arthur Dent, human, cycles through his jobs. Ford Prefect, alien, background turned green, cycles through Ford's jobs. Zaphod Beetlebrox, alien, cycles through his jobs. Our final box, or button down here, so you got secondhand pen salesmanship, starship thief, president of the galaxy, and as you click on this button, you'll see it just changes the order of the jobs and just keeps cycling through those. And that is the CS30 website skills assessment.